This is a tour of our bird cage. So this is the budgie side. Go in. And there are quails. Yeah. So that's one of our budgies. Stupid things. We have a cockatiel that keeps pecking the others. There, two other budgies. And she's my favourite, the yellow one. Hey, the Pippa! That's Pippa. Hey, Pippa. The crazy one. These are our quails. They're Jack quails. And yeah, so this is a cage. They have lots of toys. Yeah. This little basket for some reason. So, go away. Okay. So that is don't know if you could see that, I don't think you could. It's a bit, yeah, it's really sunny. There's another cage, probably can't see that either. There we go. See, they're right next to each other. That's the other one. Oh yeah, that's the feed for the quails. And here is our finch ones, and we got two baby quails, two little ones. That's the nests, and they're really fast, and I like catching them. And we got a water thing. Then we got feed. We have that on top because they keep laying eggs in there. There they all are. We got 8 overall. There are nesting boxes. And we also got some nests in the trees. And you may be wondering why I'm not at school. I'm sick. Well, not really. I just don't want to go to school. That's a nest. Can't see the eggs in there. And then that's another one. There's all fur in there. So you can't really see the eggs. And here's another one. There's a little front of it. And yeah, that's this. So yeah. They are, I'll see if I can get a good picture of one of those stupid, not stupid, some of those eggs. Can you like pull this branch across? Oh, you can't even see these anymore. Oh, you can't see the eggs, sorry. They've all been covered up. No, you can't see them. Sorry. But did you hear a little quail? They're really scared. Yeah, we have lots of grass. And we got cat fur because we have a cat. So yeah, that's our bird cages. And the reason why we have the big quails separated from the little quails is my dad thinks that they're like eat each other. Well, the big ones will eat the small ones. And we have an owl there to keep the butcher birds away. Because they love our little quails. Our little, not quails, finches. And then we have a thing there. That's as well to keep it away. And yeah, that's our house, so quite close. Bye!